What is WMS? A WMS, warehouse management system, is software that helps companies manage and control daily warehouse operations, from the moment goods and materials enter a distribution or fulfillment center until the moment they leave. WMS software systems are a key component of supply chain management and offer real-time visibility into a company's entire inventory, in warehouses and in transit. In addition to inventory management, a WMS offers tools for picking and packing processes, resource utilization, analytics, and more. Importance of WMS. Currently, wholesalers, third-party logistics, 3PL, providers, and transportation partners are facing significant pressure to maintain a stable, fast, and efficient multi-channel order processing workflow. These challenges highlight the urgent need for warehouse management and the optimization of logistics processes, requiring a comprehensive breakthrough solution. A good WMS system can help by streamlining every facet of warehouse management, from receiving, put away, and pick, pack, and shipping processes to inventory tracking and replenishment. Warehouse management systems organizes all of these activities from a single interface, also integrate with other tools, including basics like barcode scanning and RFID labeling, more advanced robotics and augmented reality, AR, wearables. Additionally, WMS can integrate synchronization features with other enterprise software solutions, with ERP being the most commonly used. Three main types of WMS software. On-premise WMS. The on-premise WMS system is built and deployed directly on each company's internal hardware infrastructure. The advantage of an on-premise WMS is the full control it offers for fine-tuning and designing diverse features, especially for tasks related to data storage and securing sensitive business information. However, its downside is the high cost, along with the need for a well-planned maintenance strategy and regular system updates. Additionally, integrating an on-premise WMS with other technology platforms can become a resource-intensive and complex process. Cloud WMS. A cloud-based WMS is typically software developed and provided by an external technology service provider. As a result, installation and setup costs are more affordable, in addition to the customer support benefits provided by the software vendor, who can assist with feature adjustments, updates, and scalability expansion as needed over time. Furthermore, security concerns are more comprehensively addressed, as software providers often prioritize information security and develop extensive risk prevention solutions. Finally, integration compatibility with other software is ensured, tailored to the specific needs of each industry. Integrated WMS. Some WMS software can be designed as a standalone module that directly links to a larger platform, such as an ERP system or supply chain management system. The advantage of an integrated WMS lies in its sophistication, carefully planned to seamlessly combine features from various software applications without overwhelming or complicating user interaction. As a result, information and data are transmitted clearly, efficiently, and quickly, while maintaining an overarching management perspective. Core features of a WMS. Control of inbound, outbound processes. All tasks related to the inbound and outbound processes within the warehouse can be effectively tracked and controlled through the WMS. Specifically, businesses can proactively input necessary link activities into the system, allowing them to verify whether the process is being executed correctly. In combination with RFID scanning technology and an invoice tracking system, products circulating within the warehouse are automatically validated and standardized when cross-referenced with purchase invoices. Inventory management. All products and materials stored in the warehouse can be listed on the WMS, enabling real-time access and tracking from any authorized device or location. In addition to product tracking, data related to production cycles, market demand forecasting, and profit potential analysis are synchronized and displayed within the WMS interface. With these features, businesses can quickly assess the situation and make informed decisions about inbound and outbound inventory. Transportations. Modern WMS software is often integrated with logistics and transportation tracking systems. Tasks such as generating invoices, verifying packaging, and cross-referencing delivery locations and arrival times are all executed automatically. Labor management. Data on labor costs and productivity, response time, expertise can be leveraged for warehouse management, helping to allocate resources at the right time and place to address urgent issues. Warehouse statistics and analysis. Real-time data is automatically collected through the WMS, replacing manual methods, eliminating data entry errors, and speeding up process handling. This information is used for analysis and deriving conclusions about key metrics, such as on-time delivery, accurate inventory levels, distribution costs, order fulfillment rates, and production cycle times. Benefits of a warehouse management system: improved operational efficiency. WMS systems automate and streamline warehouse processes from inbound receipts to outbound deliveries for improved efficiency, smoother operations, and the ability to handle higher volumes. They reduce errors in picking and shipping goods and eliminate duplicate and unnecessary work. Reduced waste and costs. If there is inventory approaching expiration or perishable, the WMS can identify items that need to be prioritized for packing or arrange for promotional pushes to boost sales before the expiration date. Even the warehouse layout, from the division of storage areas to the distance between aisles, can be optimized within the WMS. Real-time inventory monitoring. Through barcode scanning technology, RFID identification, or various other methods and sensors, the WMS system provides a detailed, real-time view of inventory status. All data related to warehouse operations is recorded and reported, helping to improve traceability and provide more accurate market forecasting. Labor control. The WMS can assist in managing tasks related to forecasting and scheduling, assigning appropriate duties to staff based on skill levels, proximity, and other factors. This not only enhances overall morale, but also fosters a more scientific, organized, and safer work environment, where employees feel valued and time is utilized efficiently. Improving relationships with partners and customers. The efficient order fulfillment and fast, error-free deliveries enabled by the WMS will provide a satisfying experience for customers, increasing loyalty and attachment to the brand. For partners and suppliers, reduced wait times at collection points also help improve their impression and foster long-term cooperative relationships.